It's nice enough to go fly. Let's go.
Hey everyone, climb on board with me, Lewis, the Mitten Pilot. So let's go fly and experience everything the Mitten has to offer.
Owasso Community Automated Weather Observation 1716 Zulu Weather Wind 200 at 6 Visibility 10 Clear below 12,000.
Alright, so we'll land runway 29 since the wind's 290 or 200, excuse me. Let's go. Close flight plan. Procedure. Traffic pattern. Runway. But we're not gonna. This is why for flight you gotta pay attention.
Traffic 903 X-ray. Lining up to depart runway 22. We'll wait until traffic clears.
This is saying the best wind is runway 18, which is true, but you're not gonna land grass in February with all the snow. So we're gonna go 29.
Right traffic.
That side.
Clear the active.
And a route. Alright, so we've got a plan put in. It will take us a little bit to the south. We've already listened to the Owasso.
903 X-ray departing 22, remain in the pattern.
Let's get that CTAF put in here, 1230. See about how far are we? Oh, we're still 20 miles. Alright, so we'll just kick back and enjoy the view. See, now it's getting a little bit cold up here. I don't really remember if I have this checked off on my list. I feel like I've been here. A lot of private fields out here. You can see them all on the map. All these, or not private, grass strips. See them all over the place.
Henry County traffic, Cherokee 905 422, left downwind to 28, Henry County.
That's what the checklist looks like. Descent/approach. ATIS, Owasso obtained. Check. Altimeter set. Check. Did that a few minutes ago. Mixture as required. We're still a few miles out, so we're gonna leave it.
Traffic, Diamond Star 557 Delta Sierra, departing runway 13 to the north.
Lead. Approach briefing, that's what we're doing now. With standard approach, we'll enter the downwind on a 45. 30 degrees of flaps on base. And we'll make sure we have a stable approach. Landing light on. I left mine on. It never really hurts to leave it on. If we were doing a longer trip, it would be super handy if I turned it off. You know, unless it's like hazy, today's not a bad day to sort of leave it on anyway. Give people something else to see when you're out and about. Nice big road or railroad under us. I think that's a railroad. That's awfully straight for a, let's see. Oh yeah, the map will tell you. Right there, boom. A little town off to the east. The town of Owasso, dead straight ahead. We'll give a call here in about a mile or so. Let's see, can I see the field from here? It should be just a hair off to my right. I do. It's right there. But we're going to aim a little bit left because we need to make a right turn to enter a 45-degree angle toward the runway. Then make the right turn to enter the downwind, and then start making our left turns to line up with the runway. So if we were to not aim left, we would be too close to the airport to make those right turns, be about a half a mile away. So we're sort of buying us a little bit of time and space to... In fact, we'll start our descent. Owasso community, Cessna 8637 Golf, about 6 miles to the southeast, inbound landing runway 29, touch and go, Owasso. Alright, so pull a little bit of power. Start our descent. We'll get down to about 2,000 feet or so. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but literally the track that I'm following for the GPS in the plane is a little bit to the left. You can kind of see that. Let's see if we zoom in a little. Yeah, you can see that here, assuming the camera's picking that up. Again, that's so that I can stay south of the turn aiming point, my aiming point for my turn. And yes, I can see the field off to the right. If my camera's working, you can see it just to the left of the gloves. Keep coming down.
Harbor traffic, this is Carbanco 89 at about 7 miles to the northeast, planning to fly southward about 5 miles out and then turn into the pattern for left down runway 29ers, southwest traffic. Okay, 942 Romeo Mike, overflying the field at about 3,400, be sure up entry downwind 13, let's go.
That was a pretty sharp descent. Then we keep coming down to 1,800 feet. Alright, so we're within 50 feet of 1,800 feet, goose it a little. Gas is on fullest tank, undercarriage is fixed, mixture is full rich, prop is set, it's always set. Oh, a little bit of bumps. Owasso community, Cessna 8637 Golf, turning onto a downwind for runway 29 from the 45, touch and go, Owasso community.
Okay, Diamond 942 Romeo Mike, and a teardrop entry, downwind 10.
Alright, the runway looks good. Something that's worth taking a peek at when you have snow, you just never know who's clearing what or who's not clearing what. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Get a good look at it. Looks great. We're on pattern altitude, exactly. Okay, pull power back. Carb heat on. 1 notch of flaps, 2, 3. Set up for my approach speed.
45 entry, downwind 13.
Owasso Community, Cessna 8637 Golf, turning left base, runway 29, touch and go, Owasso. Get another notch of flaps. Owasso Community, Cessna 8637 Golf, turning on to final, runway 29, touch and go, Owasso.
Good, 942 Roman Mike, left downwind 13, we'll be on short approach.
Bingo bongo. Just like that. A little squirrely down here. And there's still quite a bit of haze compared to, and fog and stuff compared to back home. With a touch of a button, you can go the other direction. I'm not sure if I can do that in my GPS yet. Let's find out.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, click that like button and make sure that you subscribe so that you can follow along with all of my Mitten Pilot adventures. Thanks for watching. See ya!